We got them in the mail today. My nice bird 43s. Gotta get me a couple slugs. I just want to throw this out there. I've seen a lot of packing before in my mail, and I've never seen anybody use carpet padding for packing their boxes. That's a win-win deal. Real happy. Tickled to death. Thank you for doing a great job. And gotta get my slugs. I'll probably get a 50-watt slug and a 500-watt slug, and hope I can make them move what I got. Man, that's true watts. They ain't no ghost watts. Bump, bump, bump. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Happy so far. Bump, bump, bump. Finally got me a bird. Finally got me a bird. Bye, bye, bye. Alright. What we have here is a nice bird meter. I gotta change up my connectors here. Got me a 250-watt slug. That's forward. That should show reflect. So we're going to take these bad boys out of here. And we're going to install this new one here. Yeah. Let's take this out and see what we got. Man, that's tight. That is really tight compared to what I just took out of there. Yes, sir. Nice. Nice tight peak. Alrighty, we're gonna go back over that. Sure will. We got one of them installed. Thank you all for watching. We shall return. Alrighty, we got a new bird meter here. We're using a 250 watt slug average, no ghost watts, and we got a got these meters on peak. So we got it on 1,000 watt scale. Be next to the top. I got my Super 6 Elkin in low gear, 6 tuber. We're gonna see what she's doing here on ghost watts. Like I said, it'd be on a 1,000 watt scale. Hello, audio. Okay, let's go up here on average. Audio, 1 2 1 2. Audio. There you go. No ghost watts on that bird. I'll put this big boy in high. It still make you sick. But bye ghost watts. Alright, now we're still on 1,000 watt scale on peak. Audio, 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 1 2 1 2. Audio. We're showing 250 watts on the average on this Super 6. Just got down. Thank you for watching my videos. Yeah, I got this rigged up for now. I got to order me another connector there. I'll have that changed out by middle of next week probably. But anyway, I got to test my meters. I like them. God bless y'all. Bye ghost watts on the bird meter. Next time y'all see them, I'm going to have them send them down and repaint them. But I'm happy with them. Y'all take care. God bless. Bye.